A severe bend in the hose may cause a kink, which will immediately create maximum pressure in the line because the concrete is blocked from flowing. The hose could suddenly straighten by force because of the built-up pressure in the line and cause injury to workers. Allow the boom to carry the weight of the hose, not your back or shoulders. And avoid back strain by lifting the hose properly. Watch out for pinch points where your body, hands, arms, legs, or feet could be crushed between the hose and a fixed object such as forms and walls. Be aware that hose clamps are larger in diameter than the hose. So, allow extra space between the hose and any fixed object to prevent hands from becoming pinched or crushed. Keep the boom hose end at least 2 feet above the deck level to avoid injury to your feet and lower legs. This 2 feet clearance will also avoid blockage of the hose end from lack of clearance between the discharge end and the deck. Pipeline, hose, or clamp failures can happen at any time, so spend as little time as possible under the boom and always wear personal protective equipment when on the job site. Before the pour begins, the hoseman, operator, and spotter should agree on the hand signals to be used. And to avoid confusion, only one person on the site should signal the operator. These are the hand signals recommended by the American Concrete Pumping Association. Anyone assigned as a signalman should become proficient in these signals. Boom up, boom down, boom left, boom right, open or extend boom, close or retract boom, stop boom, start pump or speed up, slow pump, stop pump, little bit, add water, 4 gallons, relieve pressure, all done, clean up. Hand signals for directing vehicles. Reverse. Forward. Stop. Remember, safe concrete placement is a matter of common sense and safety awareness. Your safety and the safety of all those working with you. Wear personal protective equipment when on the job site. Know the e-stops and how to use them. Always be mindful of electric lines and their proximity to the boom. Electrocution is probable if power lines come in contact with the pump or boom. Be aware that you could be crushed or severely injured if you place yourself between the pump and the concrete truck. Never stand between the pump and a moving concrete truck. Keep a reasonable distance between the hose and any fixed object. Your arms or legs could be painfully pinched. Keep in mind that lines and hoses can be under great pressure and could fail at any moment. Keep yourself in safe positions. Never stand on, sit on, or straddle pressurized lines. Don't hug the hose or carry it over your shoulder or on your back. Stay out from under the boom as much as possible. Never open a pressurized line. The concrete can be under incredible pressure and you don't want to be in its path. When placing concrete, always move in a forward direction to avoid obstacles and tripping hazards. Keep concrete in the hopper at the proper level. Stay away from lines that have air in them. Use the proper hand signals and agree on who will be giving the signals to the operator. If you ever have questions about safety on the job site, check with your company's safety manager before getting yourself into an unsafe or possibly deadly situation. Remember, the life you save may be your own. This has been a safety presentation of the American Concrete Pumping Association. For additional safety materials, contact the ACPA.